Alright everyone, it's Chris. I just got a few more tiles in. What I do here, people, is I roughly cut this tile because I'm going to be putting in a piece that defines the stairs. I always like to cut it in later. When all my tiles are down, I get the straight edge, mark a line, and I find it better because I can get a straight line. I'll show you. What I'm trying to explain is I'm going to have a piece about this width going that way, right through, and the same up here. And it defines the step. So if it was like this and you had another triangle piece in there, and then your step tread or your step riser went down like that, you'd never see where your step is, and people would arse over and go down the stairs quick as. So you've got to define your step, and that's what you do. And what I like to do is lay it all roughly, mark and cut it in nicely afterwards, like the next day, and then I've got a lovely straight line that'll go like that across there, rather than marking each one individually. I don't reckon you get it as straight, and it takes longer, more fluffing around. No, it's quick to cut it in situ. If you don't know what that means, it means in place. And I never knew what it meant. A person was talking to me about in situ, and I thought, what the hell? What the? And then I went and Googled it, and I thought, oh, okay, that's what it means. In situ means in place. I don't know why people just don't say in place. Nice. Okay, do I do 2 rows? No, it's easier to do 1. Might rain later by the looks. Bit of a shower, I think. We'll lose our beautiful Gold Coast day. Bit of a shower. See how I put my knee on the straight edge? Stop it from moving. Always looking down, there's my mark, see my mark there? Making sure the straight edge is on the mark. I've double broomed this to make sure there's no dust. Oh. I heard someone that's watching yelling out, "Chriso, put your clips in." Nice, nice. See how my glue is, it's not stiff. It's pourable. That's how it should be when you're doing floors. If you see on a few other channels, they are combing out their glue, and Christ, half a room is spread out with glue. Don't. That is a big no-no, people. Because that glue is half dry before the tile even goes down. And you never walk on your tile while you're laying it till the next day. You never walk on it there and then. No way. Right, knee on the straight edge. One more and then I'll come back to you shortly. Try and get as close as you can to the straight edge, but not that close that you're covering it all in glue. No. Always looking at your tile that you've got no chips. Occasionally you have a chipped tile and you've just put it down and you see the chip. Try and spot it before that happens. Nice. We'll see you soon.